Hey there, science enthusiasts. Today I am super excited to introduce you to the National Geographic Dual LED Kids Microscope. This incredible microscope is not only a powerful learning tool, but it also comes with over 50 accessories, making it the perfect STEM activity for kids aged 8 to 12. With 2 microscopes in one, this kit allows you to use the lower LED lights to view biological specimens on slides, as well as switch over to the upper lights to examine 3D objects in intricate detail. The possibilities for exploration and discovery are endless. The kit includes a curated set of 10 prepared slides with a range of biological specimens, as well as 10D blank slides, tweezers, an eyedropper, a Petri dish for plant labs, a mini GOD, and more. Plus, there's even a brine shrimp experiment included, where kids can track the life cycle of brine shrimp with the complete included experiment. Not only is this microscope a fun and accessible learning tool, but it's also a high-quality educational toy that is backed by exceptional service. If you want to inspire your kids to explore the wonders of science, then this National Geographic Dual LED Kids Microscope is the perfect choice. So, what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing microscope kit today and let the learning begin. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more awesome science discoveries and reviews. Thanks for watching.